Hi, I'm Philip, and I'm here with Gian,
Hey guys.
and we're going to talk about opportunities in the degree plan. So we're looking at Gian's degree planner page, and the notion here is that you plan out both your courses and the opportunities that you're going to be taking, and the goal is to earn 100 points in innovation, competency, and experience by the time you finish. And these little circles up here kind of indicate how much you've planned. So we can see that with respect to innovation, because the circle is green all the way around, you've got enough opportunities in here to get to 100 points in innovation. You've got enough courses to get to 100 points in competency, but the experience circle is not filled in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what does that mean?
I need to add some opportunities that give me experience.
Right, there you go. And so if we actually click over here and we move the mouse, we can see that you've already earned 25 experience points. That's awesome. But you've only planned to get 80 experience points. So you need 20 more points to get to 100. All right, so how do you think you want to do that?
Well, first, if you already had some opportunities favorited, you can see all of your opportunities favorited in this tab right here.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, it shows the ice points that will give you if you had dragged it into the degree planner.
Right.
And so we can see teaching or tutoring is gonna give me 20 experience points. So if we drag that over to, let's say, fall 2020,
All 2020?
and it's gonna give me, if we go back up to here, it's
Ah,
gonna give me 100
right,
points.
right. And is that the right semester? Let's say you think about it a little bit more. Oh, you're already doing Lava Lab for fall 2020. Maybe spring 2021 is the better semester because there you're just taking one class. So how would you change
Yeah.
it?
So it's just simple as just dragging it over back to 2021, and I think that makes sense, more sense.
Yeah, yeah. So that's good. So you're on track to get to 100 points in each of your level. You'll probably be a level 6 ninja RadGrad person by the time you graduate.
Yeah,
I hope so.
hope so.
Okay.
Hopefully.
All right. Thanks, Gian.
Yep.